177 species in genus Jatropha. What is Jatropha tree? The Jatropha tree belong to the Euphorbiaceae family, is a tropical plant known for its vibrant green leaves and small red or pink flowers. I first encountered it during a trip to a botanical garden where its unique appearance caught my eye. Since then, I've been fascinated by its resilience and ability to thrive in various climates. Despite its beauty, I've learned that it can be quite sensitive to environmental changes, which brings me to your next question. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Why is the Jatropha tree losing leaves in spring? Seeing the Jatropha tree lose its leaves in spring was a bit alarming at first. I remember noticing it in my garden and immediately wondering if I had done something wrong. After some research, I discovered that it's a natural response to changes in temperature and daylight hours. While it can be concerning, I've found that as long as I provide proper care, the tree usually bounces back quickly. How to prune a Jatropha tree? Pruning a Jatropha tree can be a delicate process that requires careful attention to detail. I learned this firsthand when I decided to trim mine to maintain its shape and encourage new growth. The key is to prune selectively, removing dead or overcrowded branches while preserving the overall structure. It took some trial and error, but with patience and a sharp pair of pruning shears, I was able to achieve the desired results. Where to buy Jatropha tree near me? When I first became interested in growing a Jatropha tree, one of my biggest challenges was finding a reliable source to purchase one near me. I scoured local nurseries and garden centers, but unfortunately, none of them carried it. Eventually, I turned to online retailers and found a reputable seller who offered a variety of sizes at reasonable prices. It was a relief to finally locate a source and begin my gardening journey with this unique plant. Where to buy Jatropha trees in Florida? Living in Florida, I've come to appreciate the diverse array of plants that thrive in our subtropical climate. When it comes to purchasing Jatropha trees specifically in Florida, I've found that some specialty nurseries and botanical gardens carry them. Additionally, there are online suppliers that cater to the region, ensuring that residents have access to a wide selection of healthy specimens. Does the Jatropha tree lose leaves? One of the questions I had when considering adding a Jatropha tree to my garden was whether it would lose its leaves. After some investigation, I learned that while the Jatropha tree is typically evergreen, it can experience leaf drop under certain conditions, such as during periods of drought or extreme temperature fluctuations. Understanding this helped me better prepare for potential changes in appearance throughout the year. How fast do Jatropha trees grow? The growth rate of Jatropha trees can vary depending on factors such as climate, soil quality, and care. In my experience, I've found that with optimal conditions, they can grow relatively quickly, especially during the warmer months. Regular watering, fertilization, and ample sunlight are key to promoting healthy growth and maximizing their potential. How much does a Jatropha tree cost? As with any plant, the cost of a Jatropha tree can vary depending on factors such as size, age, and location. When I was in the market for one, I found that prices range from affordable for smaller specimens to more expensive for larger, more mature trees. Ultimately, I decided to invest in a younger tree and patiently nurture it as it grew into a beautiful addition to my garden. How to care for Jatropha tree? Caring for a Jatropha tree involves providing it with the right balance of water, sunlight, and nutrients to thrive. In my experience, I found that they prefer well-draining soil and regular watering, especially during dry periods. Additionally, they benefit from occasional pruning to maintain their shape and encourage new growth. With proper care and attention, they can be a stunning focal point in any garden. What biome are Jatropha trees found? Jatropha trees are typically found in tropical and subtropical biomes, where they thrive in warm, sunny climates with well-draining soil. I've encountered them in a variety of settings, from coastal regions to inland forests, where their lush foliage and colorful flowers add beauty to the landscape. Their adaptability to different environments makes them a versatile choice for gardens and landscapes around the world.